Hi, darlings. I want to show you how I quickly made that chocolicious ekpang. That's our cocoyam and wateryam. Let's get doing this. Peeling time. And now let's grate. Oh my goodness. Do you see that grater right there? If you know, you know. I found it and I was like, whoa, they're still doing this kind of thing? Really? I was so glad I quickly grabbed it because nothing does this job better than this grater you see there. And please be careful to not grate your hand, okay? Just do it gently. That's some salt because why not? I like to add salt to this process, so that it penetrates the inside of this ekpang. Okay, this is the leaf we have at our disposal. We don't have the nkukwo leaf that makes for the name Ekpang cocoa. That's why I've not said Ekpang cocoa. I just said Ekpang. Maybe this one is Ekpang spinach. Alright, so just pick your leaves like this. You might as well use ugu leaf. Some people use scent leaf, some people use bitter leaf, some people use the nkukwo leaf. Use your discretion. Whichever leaf you prefer, I think is workable. That's at least I think so. Hey? Okay, this is my periwinkle. What is ekpang without feed though? Excuse me? I like to parboil it first. Okay? And then you just pour some amount of oil, good oil. I would always emphasize good oil. Okay, so the oil forms the base in the pot, and usually you wash the umfi, which is the periwinkle, and add to the oil. So you wrap and place on it, but I don't want to scratch my non-stick. Okay, so and plus I have cooked it already, so it's gonna be fine. Now watch what I'm doing with the wrapping. That's if you do not know how to wrap this. Okay, take a leaf and turn it upwards, like flip it over. Scoop a tiny amount. Hold the leaf like this, put it onto the leaf, and then gently wrap it. If you're learning, the more you do, the more you get used to it. Okay, so you just keep doing this. You see how neat that comes out. There's no time to really do the way I like to do it. This is a quick meal, but this is fine as well. Okay, I'll basically repeat the process until I have all of it completely wrapped up. Okay, and you can actually double your leaves like so when they become too small. Yeah. Okay, that's what we're using. Some peppers and onion and some good crayfish. Looks so clean, so neat. So I'm just gonna pound those and debone the fish. Okay, back to the periwinkle. Your water has to be this clean. I had to raise it up for you to see. So clean. And now it's time to assemble everything and have all the ingredients, get to meet each other and greet and familiarize, That's hot water so that it doesn't loosen up. All right, just a few chunks of goat meat. And then in comes the fish. They are beginning to assemble, you see? Crew members. What next? Come on, please. Do not waste our time. What's coming next? Okay, the periwinkle that should have been in the base of the pot, but because we do not want to scratch our pan. But it's okay to come in now. Okay. And then we have some shrimps. What's the next thing? Okay, the crayfish comes in. Actually, no complexity. And then the pepper and the onion mix. I pounded those. I like mortar. Me and pounding. And then just small salt like this. Remember we had salt in the wateryam. Okay. So cover this up and let it boil. I know you were wondering what that bottle water I was doing there. Welcome back. And now you can gently stir to combine everything. Just gently, gently, gently stir. Okay? By the way, thank you for being here again. I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching, subscribing, liking, and sharing and commenting. Thank you. That was some stock and some water, enough to cook it completely. And as it cooks, the color will just start to change, even though darkness was setting in. There's no need to rigorously stir this again, because every ingredient has been combined. The scent leaf is a tip and a game changer. Add a little and put the pot down. Okay, bye.